Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Facebook app. And then it opens up in the home menu where we have our feed. From here we just go into the top right corner and tap on the three lines, then on the cog. And then if we scroll down, under preferences, we find dark mode. Tap on this, and here we can tap on, and it's going to turn on dark mode. Also, we can select use system settings, and that's going to adapt the Facebook theme to our system settings. So, for example, if you have a setting that switches from dark mode to light mode when the sun comes up, the Facebook app is going to follow this as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.